Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I really didn't want to start my vlog like this, but today I'm traveling, heading to Jamaica, and I missed my flight.
Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what.
OMG. I know that's the story of my life, but really, I'm not even sure what happened. I think I was just tired. I think I was just extremely tired. I had to go to work, and I left work at 8 p.m. It took me an hour to get home, so I got home around 9:15. And then I had to pick up Jay. What else did I do? I went to the pharmacy. I went to get some sunscreen, lotion. What else? I can't remember, but whatever. So I got home, took a shower, got dressed, and then I did tiny makeup. I didn't do a lot today. And my flight was 5 a.m. I left my house like 3 a.m. I got to the airport at 4. When I got to the customer service desk, they told me that the door is closed and, you know, I'm not able to get on the flight, so they had to rebook me. So my flight will be 1 p.m. today. So that's hours after. Yeah. But hey, that's nothing new. I'm always missing my flight anyways. But anywho, I'm going to Jamaica. This is a quick trip. It's a business trip. It's a very quick trip. It's not gonna be long. So it's a little bit noisy in the airport. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but yeah, so like I said earlier, I'm on my way to Jamaica. I'm only going to be in Jamaica for 5 days, and this is really a business trip. So I'm going to be showing you guys something today. Let me see if I can find it on my phone. Okay, so before I show you guys my flyer, so I'm hosting an event in Jamaica December 22nd, 2019. And I'm hosting this event as a charity event because part proceed will be going to Breast Cancer Center in Kingston, Jamaica. As most of you guys may know, some of you may not, I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2016, and I am a breast cancer survivor.
At this time, we're going to continue boarding by welcoming our Mosaic customers. Mosaic customers, you're welcome to board here at gate 5 for flight 421 with service to Nassau.
Yeah, so I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2016. It was tough. It was really rough. So 2017, was it 2017? Yeah, 2017 when I went back to Jamaica. I met some girls. They were going through the same thing, and they were more or less distraught, you know, confused. Some didn't have the assistance to get stuff that they needed. So I took it upon myself, and I donated some bras. Hold on a second, because this lady keeps interrupting my video.
This is an international flight. Please have your passports out and open to the picture page. Everybody should be holding their own passport. This would help expedite the boarding process.
Okay, so 2017, I took it up on myself, and I donated some wigs, some bras, and some prosthesis. So this time I just decided that I wanted to do a little bit more. So that is why I'm hosting this event, hoping to raise enough funds so I can go ahead and give that donation over to those girls so it can assist them, whether it's with their medication, bills, or whatever, you know. Unfortunately, I'm not able to help the mass, but I just feel joy just knowing that I'll be able to help a few young girls that is going through, you know, this dreadful disease, and just to uplift their spirit. In addition to that, I might also be doing a makeover. I'm thinking about that. So I might be doing a makeover for young ladies. Yeah. And the selection could be wide. I'm not really sure if they're going to be from Mandeville, if they're going to be from Kingston, if they're going to be from Montego Bay. It doesn't matter. But I'm still thinking about that part of it, so I'm not sure yet. So we'll see exactly what happened. And, you know, as I do my planning, then I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So let me go ahead and show you guys a picture.
Customers seated in Group A who have purchased an even more space seat are welcome to board here at Gate 5 for Flight 421 with service
I'm not
to
sure if you guys
Nassau,
can see that,
Bahamas.
but this is a flyer. Hold on.
Ladies and gentlemen, a friendly reminder, this is an international flight. Please have your passports out and open to the picture page.
So that's the front of the flyer. Let me see if I can show you guys the back. This is the back. So the angel, the first lady of dancehall, she will be performing at my event. So she's a special guest artist. For those of you who don't know her, I'm gonna insert a clip here so you can see her videos, and you can probably go check her out, watch her videos, whatever. But yeah, she will be performing at my event. So I'm super excited about that. So yeah, so that is the reason why I'm going to Jamaica, because I'm gonna be meeting with a few sponsors. So I need to meet them in person, you know, and just share with them what my vision is for this event, and, you know, what my expectations are, and, you know, just probably sharing my story here and there with a few people if they're interested. But I'm hoping to get a lot of people on board, because this is a very special event, and it's very close to my heart. I will continue to do this. I want to make it a yearly
Continuing
event.
boarding, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue with Group B. Group B is now welcome to board here at Gate 5 for Flight 421 with service to Nassau, Bahamas. Ladies and gentlemen,
so if you're in Jamaica,
boarding passes out, accompanied by your boarding passport,
December
over to the
22nd,
picture page.
and you want to come through, it's going to be in Mandeville
To the picture page,
at
ladies and
New
gentlemen.
Orleans Clubhouse. It's pretty easy to find, and as we get closer to the date, then, you know, we're going to be putting out more stuff and things like that. The menu, I have not decided on that yet. I'm still trying to contemplate, am I going to make it a all seafood event, or I'm going to do a mixture? I'm really not sure yet. So all those things I still have to be taken into consideration. And remember, this is a charitable event, so I don't want to go overboard with it. It's open to the public, so anyone can come. You're all invited. Just come and support. If you want to make a donation, then feel free to do so. You guys are welcome. What else? Yeah, I'm still at the airport. I haven't had anything all morning. I want to show you guys something. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. It's dark here and then it's light here. So I was waxing my face. Yes, guys, I was waxing my face. I have a lot of hair on my face, and I think it makes my face look a little bit darker. So I like to wax it so, you know, my complexion can look lighter. But I ended up burning myself yesterday. It looks so horrible. Look at this. And it is so funny. If I wasn't going anywhere and I was at home and I'm doing it, I'll be fine. The scene that I'm going out, then it just happened. Like, I had to burn myself. I just don't understand. But anyways, I think I'm gonna wax a little bit higher so it doesn't look that obvious. But I don't know. Trust me. I'm so touchy-feeling about this right now. I'm so mad, actually. But, you know, it is what it is. Everybody's staring at this crazy girl sitting in front of a camera talking to herself or talking to the camera. Yeah. But we've done this so many times, so it's now the norm. We don't care. We don't care. I'm hungry. I'm not sure what I want to eat, but the airport is pretty busy. A lot here. Still. Some people are charging their phones. Others are just sitting around. We're lounging. Yeah. But I really need to get something to eat. I miss Jabari. I like when he's here. I like when he's vlogging with me. Because he always has something to talk about. He's a chatterbox, can I tell you? But yeah, this is a short trip, but I'm still gonna vlog. And I'm still gonna be sharing with you guys. I'm gonna be going by the event space, showing you guys what it looks like before the setup and all that. So you guys are gonna be on a journey with me where this event is concerned. And I'm not sure if you guys were able to see the name of the event on the flyer, but it's called Posh Lifestyle. And everyone knows that my pet name is Posh. Everyone call me Posh. So I decided to name the party Posh. In the future, I'm hoping to do more, you know, and to, not that I don't take it serious, but just to, you know, spread my wings a little bit further, far and wide, so I could get other people aboard, so we could help others, you know, because that's what we're about for this event, helping others, and specifically helping others who are going through breast cancer, you know. So again, I can't explain how happy I am, and you know, I'm so pumped up because I know what the journey is like firsthand, you know, because I've been through it, and it was really a struggle for me. It's something that I had to deal with privately. Few people know, a lot of people didn't know, some still don't know, but you know, it is what it is. And it's not like I was embarrassed or anything to talk about it, because I wasn't. It's just that it was tough. That's the best word I could use. It was tough. It's the toughest thing that I've ever had to face, but it was a learning experience, and it definitely helped me to be way stronger. I've always been a strong girl, but trust me, I'm even stronger now, and that is why I'm just here to encourage others, you know, let them know that it's okay, and they will be okay. They just have to, you know, get in that mindset that it's gonna be tough, but no matter what, you're not going to give up. You will never give up. So that's what I want to share, and I want you guys to come on board with me. Donate what you can, share the video if that's all you can do. That's still helping, you know what I mean? So whatever it is that you can do, I'll appreciate it. My grandma would say, every little make a muckle, and I'm fine with that. So yeah. Alright, I think I rambled enough. I think I want to get something to eat. I'm really hungry. You guys like my lashes? This is from my lash line. I will leave the website right here. It's www.jalanis.net, and the style I'm wearing today is called Posh, and that's P-O-S-H. I'm gonna grab something to eat, and then I'll check back in with you guys. So I'll talk to you all later. Oh yeah. God. Yeah. Right. Oh Lord, snowball. My grandma, that's a snowball. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, you guys will not believe what happened. Right? So I was at gate number 6 waiting, because that's the number that was on my ticket, my boarding pass, yeah? So, boarding is 12:45. So I'm like, okay, cool, I'm chilling. 10 minutes to 1. I don't see anyone at gate 6 or whatever. So I went to the information desk and I asked, the flight leaving for Jamaica at 1. What happened? I don't see anyone at this gate. Oh, we changed the gate. We're now loading from gate 16. At this time, it is 1:10, and the flight leaves